and I'm feeling all alone. There's so far to go, the signs are nowhere on this road, guiding me home.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. If you're old, thanks for stopping by. And please, if you're new or you're old and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you very much. Today I'm going to be talking about a trip I took with the day experience and living in Lekki. Okay, for this trip we did three stops. The first was to watch the sunrise on the Lekki-Ikoyi toll bridge. And I know what you're thinking, like, Uma, you went to watch the sunrise. Yes, I'm shocked too. Ordinarily, this is not something I would do. Ordinarily, I would not say, okay, I'm going to watch the sunrise. No, I won't do that. But surprisingly, it was fun. Surprisingly, I enjoyed it. Secondly, we went to Tyson Horticulture Ventures. And I know what you're thinking again. Fuma, you went to Tyson Horticulture Ventures. Okay, I know you don't know what that is, but don't worry, you're going to see that along the line. And third, I tried yoga. For the first time in my life, I did yoga. Oh, you'll see that along the line. An interesting fact about that bridge is it's the first cable-stayed bridge in West Africa. I didn't know that before. I had to browse on the bridge recently, and wow, okay, that came out. I was like, okay, that's pretty impressive. Well, I'm not an engineer. I'm not really into engineering, so I really don't understand it, but I guess that's the reason for the design. Please, if you're an engineer, please explain to all of us down below what a cable-stayed bridge means. So guys, see how dark it is, and I'm off to only God knows where I'm going to. It's quite dark, so but we're going to actually watch the sunrise, so let's hope it's fun. Take care, good morning. Yep.
When the night is closing in, it's falling on my skin. Oh God, will you come close? Light up the sky, you light up the sky to show me you are with me. I can't deny, no I can't deny that you are right here with me. You've opened my eyes so I can see you all around me. You light up the sky, you light up the sky to show me that you are with me. Stars are hiding in the clouds.
So as I mentioned earlier, we went to Tyson Horticulture Ventures. This is their flyer. Now, I grew up in an environment where we didn't have plants in our house. My parents did not necessarily like plants or art, so I'm not really used to that. You can put some plants inside your house. Some plants like to be outside. Some plants like to be in shade. Some plants like water. Some don't like water. So she just taught us so many things about different plants.
Oh, thinking about all our younger years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see.
But there's something, I have a problem, and I need you guys to help me solve it. I have a very big problem. I don't normally know how to take care of plants. Meanwhile, they gave us a plant to take care of, and my own is looking depressed. Please help me, help me. How can I revive these plants? How do I do it? Because it's just looking depressed, just sad. I don't know what to do. Please help me. If you know how to take care of a coleus plant, please leave a comment below. Please, I've watered this little guy. I have I don't know what else there is to do. I've watered the chair. I have put it under sunlight. I've done everything possible, but the guy won't just get up. Please help. I speak life into you. I speak life into you. I've been watering it. Oh, it's not like I've not been watering it. The reason I want this plant to survive so bad, there are two things involved. Number one, living in Lekki promised us a shirt if we are able to keep our plants alive for 1 month. And number two, I met a girl called ooohh, and she's into planting. I think she does a lot of gardening. So she said she will give us another plant if we're able to keep it alive in like 1 month. So I'm counting. Please help me talk to this guy now, please. Please stand up. Please, I need you to get up. I need you to just like stay. Can you guys please help me talk to him? He's just being rude right now. My viewers are watching you, please. It's not funny, oh, please. If you know how to take up a coleus plant, please, 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 please leave a comment below and tell me what to do with this little guy, please. I'm going to put him back under the sunlight and I'll water him this evening again, but I don't know what to do. Lastly, guys, we went for yoga classes at the Breathe Yoga Studio. Now, the thing about yoga is interesting. No, don't joke. It's interesting. It's interesting. But I don't think I was born to concentrate that long. I don't think I was. I don't think I can keep my attention in one place for so long. But I enjoyed myself, and really it stretched out my muscles, because when I got back home, hell, I slept for like 4 hours. I did not even know that anything was going on. I just got back home, took my bath, and I slept. Okay, after eating good food, then I slept. Man, I would like to try it again, please, the day experience. If you're organizing something else with yoga again, trust me, I would like to be there again. And I hope this time I can concentrate. I hope so.
Think of all the things we could do, and every day you're in my head. I want to have you in my bed. You are the one, you're in my eyes. All I ever wanted in my life. All I ever wanted was to see you smile, and all I ever wanted was to make you mine. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see that all I ever wanted was you and me. All I ever wanted was to see you smile, and all
I really enjoyed it. I hope to travel more with the day experience. I hope to do more things with living in Lekki. Trust me, they are the bomb. They killed it. So thumbs up, guys. So guys, if you like this video or you want to share this video with your family and friends, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or comment or subscribe.